Welcome to Explained by a C Student, where I aim to break down complex issues and systems from a C student's perspective. Let's get into it. Now that we're back, on today's issue, we're talking about the illustrious Awful Records as we commemorate their 10-year anniversary. So you better call the cops, because we're about to run up on your block. Awful Records is an independent music label based out of Atlanta, Georgia, known for its unique and eclectic approach to hip-hop, R&B, and alternative music. Awful Records was founded in 2014 by rapper and producer Father, where the label began as a collective of like-minded artists who wanted to create music outside the traditional boundaries of the industry. Musical style and influence. The label is recognized for its distinctive lo-fi production, experimental sounds, and a DIY ethos that extends to all aspects of their music, from production and recording to music videos and cover art. The DIY approach contributes to a sense of authenticity and individuality. Awful Records music often blends elements of hip-hop, R&B, and electronic music, with an emphasis on raw, unpolished aesthetics, resulting in a sound that's hard to categorize. Besides Father, Awful Records has been home to various artists who have contributed to its unique sound. Some notable names include Ethereal, a versatile producer and artist with a significant impact on the label's sound. Archibald Slim, a rapper with a raw, introspective style that complements the label's aesthetic. Slug Christ, known for his unique blend of hip-hop and shadowy, almost psychedelic production. Abra, known for her ethereal voice and blend of R&B and electronic music. And Playboi Carti, before achieving mainstream success, he was briefly associated with Awful Records. Awful Records has released numerous mixtapes, albums, and EPs that have garnered attention in the indie music scene. These projects often showcase the diverse talents within the collective and highlight their ability to push musical boundaries. Here are some notable Awful releases. Look at Wrist, featuring I Love McConaughey and Key, Nokia and Heartthrob by Father, respectively, Final Fantasy from Ethereal, Some Mo from Archibald Slim, and Fruit by Abra.
You like cotton candy?
Despite being an independent label, Awful Records has had a considerable impact on the underground music scene. It has influenced many emerging artists with its unorthodox approach to music production and artist promotion. The label has also cultivated a loyal fan base and received critical acclaim for its innovation and authenticity. By consistently experimenting with sounds and genres, Awful Records has pushed the boundaries of what hip-hop and R&B can encompass. The label has also fostered a community of artists who collaborate and support each other, setting an example for independent collectives. Many upcoming artists have been influenced by Awful Records' commitment to artistic freedom and its success in creating a distinctive, recognizable sound without major label backing, emphasizing the DIY attitude. In summary, Awful Records stands out for its bold, innovative approach to music and its commitment to maintaining artistic integrity. The label has carved out a niche for itself in the music industry, characterized by a blend of genres, lo-fi aesthetics, and a strong DIY ethos. The label's influence extends beyond its music, inspiring a new generation of artists to prioritize creativity and independence. Congratulations on 10 years. I hope I've been able to help you understand something new from the perspective of a C student. If you're still here, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. I'd love to hear your feedback. Look out for the next video on Explained by a C student.